How to hide games on Steam from friends. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. Now at the top left corner you can find the option of Steam. You have to click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of settings. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of interface. Under that you will find the option of client beta participation. At the right corner of it, you'll find this drop down. Click on it. Go ahead and select the option Steam Beta Update. In order to be able to hide games on Steam from friends, you have to upgrade your Steam to the beta version. Click on Restart Now. With that, your Steam will upgrade to the beta version. After completion of its installation process, you can launch it. Now open up the library section and then head towards the game that you want to hide. Double click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of manage. You'll see the option of hide this game. You have to click on that option and with that the game will be hidden. By following the same step, you are able to hide any game. So this is how you can easily hide games on Steam from friends. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.